Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, April 26 to 28, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Nara College Foundation, Typhoon Preparedness Center, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Aboitiz Power, and Bank of the Philippine Islands. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have here once tropical storm or tropical depression Sanvu is just a remnants or just a low pressure area with low chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. It's willing to survive. It's still surviving across the harsh environment of the Western Pacific, upper level winds and dry air, and is expected to accelerate towards the west-southwest in the general direction of Palau, and it could bring some thunderstorms over western Micronesia in the next couple of days, and through the weekend it could bring thunderstorms across Mindanao and Visayas during the last day of April until the first few days of May. So expect the remnants of this depression to bring isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the country beginning the last day of April until maybe May 2 or 3. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas, but every afternoon we could expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in some selected areas of the country. Right now the Philippines is currently enjoying some fine weather where there will be some smaller chances of thunderstorms, particularly over Luzon, but in the afternoon or evening the isolated thunderstorms will therefore increase in some areas of the country. We have here a shear line bringing some cloudy conditions, slightly cooler conditions here across Batanes, Babuing Cubao Islands because of a departing cold front, and this shear line will bring some breezy conditions, cloudy to some light showers expected over these areas in the northernmost part of the Philippines. And so far the risk of flooding and landslide will remain low. That's the latest from our GovSat. Speaking of temperatures, right now across the Philippine Islands we have a high heat index reaching more than 40 degrees. Here in Naga, it's currently at 41 degrees heat index around 1 p.m. Yesterday or a couple of days ago, during Sunday, it reached a peak of 45 degrees, but right now it's slightly lower because of this approaching frontal system to the north of the Philippine Islands. And that's the latest. Let's take a look at the fast animations. There you go. The remnants of LPA or Tropical Depression Sanvu moving to the south of Guam. Nothing to worry about. And if you take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here as the afternoon progresses, some severe thunderstorms developing over the mountains of the Cordillera. And also here in some portions of Samar, Bohol, Negros, Zamboanga Peninsula, and northern Mindanao, also along Cagayan de Oro and Iligan City. There are some isolated thunderstorms, and also in small areas of Palawan. So that's the latest on our satellite. Now let's take a look at the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days. So by tomorrow afternoon, we expect light winds from the northeast and east across the Philippine Islands. And here comes the remnants of LPA or Tropical Depression Sanvu. And on Friday, it will be in the vicinity of Palau, bringing some thunderstorms and light winds from the east. And prevailing easterlies will continue across the Philippine Islands. And on Saturday afternoon, we expect the remnants of Tropical Depression Sanvu moving to the west of Palau towards Mindanao. So increasing thunderstorms will be expected over Mindanao through the weekend, and easterlies will continue to prevail. Okay, and if we take a look at the rain forecast from the European model, according to windy.com, by tomorrow afternoon, Thursday, we expect isolated thunderstorms across portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao, becoming dominant over the eastern sections of Visayas. And on Saturday, more thunderstorms are expected in most parts of the country, and due to local thunderstorm activity and the approaching remnants of tropical depression Sanvu, which is situated by Saturday off Palau, and the trough will begin to bring rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao, Visayas, as well as southern Tagalog provinces, and also the Bicol region will not be spared for some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Before we leave you, here's the latest global topics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, issued every Tuesday, and here's the latest for the next 3 weeks. On week 2, valid May 3 to May 9, we expect the Philippine Islands to be under the influence of below average rainfall because of the hot dry season, so the chance of thunderstorms will be slightly lower during this time of May 3 to May 9. However, there will be some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, even though we will be having some below average rainfall, particularly over Mindanao. So, except for Luzon and parts of the Visayas and Palawan, Mindanao will not be spurred by these local thunderstorms. And on week 3, valid May 10 to May 16, the Philippine Islands will be under the influence of above average rainfall, more than 50% of possible rain showers and thunderstorms, because of a possible development of a trough, and also another low pressure area will be expected to form to the east of Mindanao. So we expect this rainfall to occur during May 10 to 16, but again week 3 still bound for changes, so we will know by next week if this will push into week 2. And so far, just stay tuned for more updates, okay? So there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday to Friday, and we will return in the coming days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.